Alright, now I've got a shorter piece of drywall, but the same thing happens whether it's a short piece or a long piece with everything extended. It just happens to be what I have going on right here. So I'll start to crank it up. You can see it's on here. Everything's fine. It'll get to maybe about here, and then the whole platter, the carriage, will just drop. And again, I'm worried that the cable's going to break and something bad, really bad is going to happen. Come on in a little bit too. The other thing I'll tell you what I noticed is to set this arm in place. When I first built it, you know, they explained how you're supposed to pull it. It was really tough to get it in position. It never said anything about tightening this bolt right here, but the first time I put it up without it tightened, when it did that fall, this thing collapsed, the whole thing collapsed, and it really came down about 2 feet. So now I've got this in position, I've got the bolt, you know, tightened there, and so at least it stays in position, but the whole thing will drop. So back up just a little bit so you can capture it. So I'll start to crank it up, and it's going to get a little bit higher, and then right about there, that whole thing just drops. So I don't know if it's something in the cabling system here where it's getting off and then it falls back on, but I really need some help to fix this. You'll see now that, you know, the rest of the way it'll crank up without any problem. I get the drywall in position, lock it, brake works. So let me know what you think. Thanks.